online consumer behavior in e-commerce. Online consumer behavior of e-commerce. So this is another new topic. 1 minute. New topic need to be discussed. Okay. So online consumer behavior of e-commerce. So online consumer behavior e-commerce. Online consumer behavior is the study of interaction between online consumer and online business. So how we need to interact with the customers for the requirements. So through online, we can have decision making for the requirements. Okay. It includes the study of why, where, when, where, how often, under what condition consumer consume different goods and services. Why do people purchase product online? Because easy to buy, free shipping, time saving, comparison of prices, range of product, better prices, convenience. So here these are the, we can say that 7 types, number of types required. Why do people purchase product for the requirement? Why people purchase the product for the requirements? This is the 14th. Easy to buy means easy to purchase. They don't require to go to the supermarket. Free shipping, free transportation, free distribution, free, it will reach to their home. Time save, it will save a lot of time for the requirements. It will save a lot of time save for your requirement. Comparison of prices. So we are having an option which price for our requirement. It is an option which price you have requirements. Okay, it's called comparison of pricing. Next called range of product. We can get a variety of product for our requirements. Okay, for the product range we can able to identify. Better prices, we can get a better pricing. What do we require? What is our cost? What is our budget? We need to able to do it. Convenience is very convenient, guys, for purchasing a product. Online consumer behavior process. First stage 1 is called need recognition. We should understand what is the need and want of the customer and consumers. Okay. So after understanding, you can need to do it. Need and recognition is one of the most important parameters you need to see. So need recognition is one of the important criteria you need to understand it. Then only you can able to do proper way of analyzing. Okay, so need understanding, we need to do it. Next, come for search for information. Okay, you require information about the what is the need. If you need, first you need to understand what is the need of the customers. After understanding the needs of customers, search for information. So they will search for the information. Consumer will search for their information. What is if he know his need, what type of product he need. So he starts searching in the server. Then you'll go for product evaluation. Which product is fit for me? Which product is required for product modification? Product evaluation. You will do it. So you will search different variety of range of product. Then you will select. Then after that product choice and purchase, then you will select which product is fit for me, so that I can go for product purchasing. Okay, so that is why product choice and start purchasing. Post purchase uses evaluation. After purchasing, post purchase you use what is the utility of that, and you can do the evaluations. Okay, what I'm saying? This is called online consumer behavior process. Factors of online consumer behavior: external factors, internal factors, functional motives, non-functional motives. Okay, so these are the different online consumer. External factors are factors which are involved outside of the consumer online behavior process. So in the external factors which will impact, which will influence the consumer behavior. Okay, internal factors with the factors which are internally influence. Okay. Functional motives mean different marketing, finance, requirement. So it is based on that requirement. The functional motives also we need to identify. Based on the functional motive, we can take the decision. Non-functional motive also is there. Need to tell it. Filtering elements like security, privacy, trust, user-friendly, cataloging, deliver services, after services. Okay, I'm saying these are the filtering elements, which is NSL required need to do it. So platform used by consumers, we can use MakeMyTrip. So this is one of the platform, very good platform which is widely used nowadays. eBay, Flipkart, OLX, Zomato, Paytm. So many things are there. Okay, so we can utilize the platform use of consumers. Okay, so Zomato, Swiggy. So all this platform can utilize for purchasing the product. Those you can go. These are the certain platform we can utilize for online marketing. And that another platform is nowadays is available. According you need to plan. According you need to discard. Flipkart, one of the tool now. Amazon is one of the best platform, but the consumer for the requirements. So Paytm, you can go for Payphone or you can go for Google Pay. So Google is giving you the things. OLX you can utilize. Okay. Then eBay, Make My Trips. You can know Make My Trips is widely used in a different platform for the requirements. Why do people prefer to buy online? You can see here, top selling internet product, your software, books, music, flowers, is got 26% market share. Okay. Computer hardware, consumer electronics, office equipment, 16%. Apparel, footwear, beauty, fruits, beverage, 8%. Toys, video games, sports goods, 7%. Small application, furnitures, and garden equipments, 3%. So these are different buying people prefer to buy online. Effect of advertisement in internet on consumer behavior. Yes, it is required for advertisements. So advertising nothing but how you promote your product in the market. Okay, that is called advertisement. So what are the different internet tools you need to follow? Reminders and advertisement repetition. It will help reminding. So what is about the product features and what is the quality of product and what are the offers? Okay. Promotion of loyalty. So here if you do a loyalty, customer become loyalty for that particular brand and requirements. Increase brand awareness here. It will create a brand about a particular product. The customer will aware about the brand. Customer will know what is the real strength of the brand of the particular product. Okay, so brand awareness will create it in the mind of the customers. Okay, I'm saying. Influence from social media sites. Okay, it will be also one of the important social media site you can influence. Yeah, it can go for a different site. You can give your advertisement like your Facebook, like your Google, or you can go for WhatsApp, LinkedIn, different social media sites, Twitter. So you can do the advertisement for your requirements. Shopping deals or different shopping deals you can utilize for your overall things and overall requirements. So this is the age group classification of Flipkart. You can see here 21 to 34% is highest and 15 group is lowest. You can see here Flipkart age number of classification for your requirements. Look at the futures. Combination of your rising income, increased internet access equates to strong growth potential for e-commerce in India. New policy. So new policy is coming like FDA. Foreign direct investment, new policy. Foreign direct investment like your single FDA, single foreign direct investment or multiple foreign direct investment. So new policy will come to the exist so that it can increase e-commerce in the market. Now it is one of the golden era of e-commerce where it is nowadays everybody want to go for e-commerce marketing in India. Personalized drone delivery is used by the different companies in European countries. Google buy now button. So these are the different combinations for rising income. So Google is also participating in one of the best role for the growth. So in new policy, you can say go for like your multi formats, new policy, new regulation. So like your GST. So now the GST is one of the prominent role in the e-commerce activities. Okay, so that is why we should understand what is the new policy, what is the new regulations, what is the regulatory mechanism for the requirements, and what we need to follow. So according to that, you have to take decisions. Okay, so this will help in the future so that we can able to grow the things for our requirements. Now the conclusion, online shopping has become more popular day by day with the increasing the uses of worldwide wave known as understanding consumer need for online selling has become challenging for marketers. Especially understanding the consumer attitude toward online shopping market improvement is the factor that influence consumer to shop online. Working on factors that affect consumer to shop online will help marketer to gain the competitive edge on the things. Next, we'll go for a little bit go for segmentation. What do you mean by segmentation and target overview? Marketing segmentation is a process of grouping individual and business according to use, composition, benefit of a product or services. Market segmentation is a process of selecting market segments that are more attractive to the whole. Okay. Three important market that both sales and buying to the each market. One is called business market. It's called online B2B market is used because more firms are connected to the internet than consumers. Okay, I'm saying. So here B2B, B2C, B2C2B, G2G, or B2G, or G2B, C2G, G2C. Different markets are there, but business market B2B, or consumer to consumer market, or business to consumer market, a consumer to business market, a business to government market, a government to business market, or consumer to government market, a government to consumer. So depending upon business market, you need to say required, and I have to take the decisions. The government market, user market is the world largest buyers for the requirements. Okay, so consumer market is one of the important factors. Consumer market involves marketing goods and services to end users. Okay, I'm saying you. So that is why consumer market is essential part of the marketing. Three basic markets to business, to consumer, to government. Initiated by business to business. Best example is called ideafactory.com. Business to consumer B2C, I told you. Business to consumer classmate.com. Okay, what I'm saying? Business to government, Western Australian government supply, www.ssc.wa.gov.ac. Okay, so these are called to government. Initiated by consumer here, consumer to business. It is initiated by consumer, Better Business Bureau. Consumer to consumer, eBay, the best example of consumer transactions. Consumer to government, governmentwork.gov. Initiated government to business, small business administrator, sba.gov. Government to consumers, I told you also California state.ca.us. Government to government, USA government to other government, one government to the other government, you need to analyze. Market segment basis and variables. You can able to identify geographical location, demographic, physiographical behavior with regards to the product. Company can combine base such as geographic and demographic locations. Geographical segment product distributions strategy is a driving force behind geographical segmentation. Country may be segmented based on internet users. Okay, USA has 186 million users, 64% of the population. China has 96.6 million users. Japan has 77.9 million users. Geographic market may also be evaluated by infrastructure variables. Language spoken may also be a variables. Okay, I'm saying. So you can see here top internet language. Here we can use English is the highest is 33%. Okay, and your Chinese 16%, Japanese 8%, French 6%, German 5%, Portuguese 4%, Arabic 4%, Korean 3%, Italian 3%, other language 18%. So you can see here different exhibit here internet language. So generally the prominent leader is called English language. So English language is one of the prominent leader for the market. So that so they want to streamline overall the process. Demographical segmentation in developing nation, users are most likely the mainstream population demographic. The heaviest internet penetration in 2008 includes 18 to 29 years old who are white, live in urban or suburban areas, and have highly education. 3 markets segmentation are of great interest to e-marketer: millennials, kids, online opinion leaders. So these are the different factors we need to focus under the demographical profiling. So where online opinion leaders, one of the more, they are the main contributors for giving information to the companies so that they can able to do a better strategy under e-marketing. Okay, e-marketing research for the requirements. So millennium kids also, they are also prominent requirements. Millennials, on those who were born between 1979 to 1990, over 90% the use of the internet. They grew up with the internet. 80% have cell phones. 36% use text messages. Okay, and most have branded for downloading music, watching video online, and this group is a proving ground for the futures. Okay, they are the future generation. We can able to focus. Physiological segmentation use personality, values. Okay, this is also another thing. Lifestyles, activities, interest, opinions. Interest community attract like-minded individuals. When posted, comment on websites, send email to other members. Social media is perhaps the most important types. Okay, important types of online communities. There are several ways to target online communities. Provide online chats, bulletin boards, events. Advertise on another farm community sites. The farm can join the community post as a member. The last part of the slide, attitude and behavior. You need to discuss. Most marketer believes that demographical cannot predict who will purchase online or offline. Some marketers believe that a segment attitude towards technology can help determining buying behavior. Yes, it is also important factors, parameter you need to do. That is why Forrester Research measures attitudes towards technology with a system called technographics. The Forrester identified 10 consumer technographic segment in the USA. So behavior segment play a prominent role in these segments. Okay, so guys, this complete your called e-marketing research. So I hope so you are understanding today's session. So we'll meet next session regarding the in coming days.